Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Pathan, and today session is how to calculate number of total isomers in alkynes. You know alkynes means carbon-carbon having triple bond. So alkynes general formula I am giving to you. Alkynes general formula CN H2N minus 2 CN H2N minus 2. With the same general formula, another organic compound we have, that is cycloalkenes. Cycloalkenes. Alkynes, cycloalkenes having same general formula. CN H2N minus 2. So now these two are exhibiting isomerism. Alkynes, cycloalkenes are isomers because having same molecular general formula. Here N starts from 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here N starts from 3, 4, 5 and so on. So due to having same general molecular formula, these two are exhibiting isomerism. Alkynes, cycloalkenes are having functional group isomerism. Functional group isomerism. So every time it is not possible to draw the structures, that's why I am giving the trick. If even number of carbon atoms are present, even number of carbon atoms are present in given alkyne or cycloalkene, then the formula is 2 power n minus 2n minus 1. If given organic compound alkyne or cycloalkene having odd number of carbon atoms, then the formula is 2 power n minus 2n. If you remember this formula, then any alkyne or cycloalkene number of total isomers can be calculated easily without drawing structures. What is here n means? N nothing but number of carbon atoms. N nothing but number of carbon atoms. N nothing but number of carbon atoms. With few examples I am going to explain to you, then easy to understand. Here I am taking example with 3 carbon atoms, that is propane I am taking. Propane. You know propane formula C3H4. C3H4. So if anybody don't know, you can use here C3, 3 into 2, 6, minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. This is I given the general formula here. For cycloalkenes also same only. Propane. How many? So 3 carbon atoms odd number. So 2 power n means 2 power 3 minus 2 into n 3. That implies 2 power 3 nothing but 8. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 nothing but 2. So propane can be exhibit two isomers. Two isomers. Clear? And we have to cross check degree of unsaturation also. Degree of unsaturation. You know formula degree of unsaturation equal to number of carbon atoms plus 1 plus n by 2 minus h by 2 minus x by 2. This is the formula we have to calculate number of unsaturated bonds. So by using this formula you can calculate unsaturation degree also. So number of carbon atoms, how many here? 3 carbon atoms. 3 carbon atoms. So du equal to 3 plus 1 plus n by 2, nitrogen not there, minus hydrogen. How many hydrogens here? 4. 4 by 2 minus x by 2, x not there, 0. That equal to how much you are getting? 4 minus 4 by 2. 4 minus 4 by 2. 4 minus 4 by 2 nothing but 4 minus 2. That is equal to what you are getting? 4 minus 2, 2. So du you got 2. If du you got 2 means one double bond, one ring, or one triple bond. One triple bond possibility. If du is 2 is, here I am giving du value 2 you got means you have the chance one triple bond, one double bond, one ring, or you have the chance two double bonds, two rings. This you have to remember. Du value. It may be possible all or single also. No need all. Triple bond compulsory because alkynes, and one double bond, one ring chance also is there. Two double bond, two rings also possibility is there. You cross check this. 3 plus 1 plus 0, 4 by 2, 2 you are getting, 4 minus 2, 2. So du unsaturation 2 you are getting means one triple bond chance is there, one double bond, one ring chance is there, or two double bond, two rings also. Two rings means bicyclic. Here two rings nothing but bicyclic. Now I am drawing the structures of C3H6. First with the triple bond. 1, 2, 3. So one triple bond I am taking. This is CH3, this is CH, and this is now satisfied. So now I got propane. What is the name? Propane. And triple bond I got. Now alkynes are isomer with cycloalkenes. Now cyclic form I am drawing. Cyclic form. So with the 3 carbons you are getting cyclic form cyclopropane. But this is cycloalkene. That's why you are getting double bond here. This is now cyclopropene. So you got now one double bond with ring. So this is one chance, one triple bond. This is cyclopropene and this is propyne. So total how many isomers you are getting? 2. So one is open chain, one is ring chain with unsaturation. So 2 we got. So no need cross checking. You are getting direct answer like this. For clarification, I am giving just. And with one more example, I am going to explain to you now. One more example. And this time I am taking another example here, that is butane C4H8. How many possible isomers in butane? What is the formula? This is butane. Butane nothing but with 4 carbons. With 4 carbons. Carbon atoms are 4. Now I have formula here. That is even number, odd number, and here C4 is the even number. This is now even number. With even number formula, what I given? Cn, C to the power of n minus 2n minus 1. Let me substitute here. How much you are getting? 2 power 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 1. That implies 2 power 4 nothing but 16 minus 8 minus 1. Means here you are getting 8. Here you are getting 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 nothing but 7. So 16 minus 7 nothing but 9. So with the butane, how many isomers are possible? 9 isomers are possible. Total, all types of isomers. Let I am giving clarification to you how these 9s are possible. So I am getting structures also. In exam you don't try it. For proof only I am giving. 9 is the correct answer. I cross checked these all also. Clear? Let I am going to draw this. See 9 isomers. 9 isomers I am going to draw. So we are getting here du also. Du also we have to cross check. So first I am cross checking du. So what the formula I do? C4H8. I am calculating degree of unsaturation. Number of carbon atoms 4 plus 1 plus n by 2 0 minus h by 2 8 by 2 minus x by 2 x not there 0. So this is, now I am getting 5 minus 8 by 2. 8 by 2 nothing but 4. 4 you are getting. What you are getting? 4. That equal to 1. Clear? How much I am getting? 4 plus 1 5 minus 8 by 2. 8 by 2 4. So du you are getting 1 only. Du value you are getting 1 for this. 1 means 1 double bond chance is there. 1 double bond chance is there. 1 ring chance is there. Clear? C4H8. Sorry, C4H6. C4H6 I am getting. Then this is 6 by 2 means 3, and this is you are getting 2. So du, how much you got? 2. If degree of unsaturation du value 2 you got, means you have chance already given 1 double bond, 1 ring chance, 1 triple bond chance, and 2 double bonds, 2 double bonds, 2 rings chance. This is the chances. We have the compounds. So 1 double bond, 1 ring, 1 triple bond, 2 double bonds, 2 rings. Let I am drawing the structure of C4H6. C4H6. First I am drawing total structures, open chains and cyclics. Why? Because alkynes and cycloalkenes are isomers. With 4 chain, open chain I am drawing first. 4 chain, open chain. First I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon chain. 4 carbon chain. Here I am taking CH2 double bond, and this is now 1, 2, 3 CH2 double bond, CH. Next here I am taking double bond, this is CH2 and this is CH. 2 double bonds are possible now here. So this is one compound. This is one compound. With the 2 double bonds. And 1 triple bond chance is there we have. Go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I am taking triple bond. CH3, CH2 and this is now CH. 1 butane. 1 butane. And you go for this triple bond position I am changing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple bond I am taking here. Now this is CH3, this is CH3 and these bonds are satisfied already. So 1 diene we got with 1 ion. This is first carbon. 1 butane, this is 2 butane. 2 butane. And this compound we got 3. And we have another chance to write double bond position. With different. See here I am taking CH2 double bond. Here I took already C double bond C bond C. See here double bond position and here this double bond here and this double bond position changed to here. Now this is I am getting CH3 and this is now CH, this carbon, and now this carbon getting 4 bonds. Clear? And this is one more. So total open chains how many I got? 4 open chains. 4 open chains. Total I got 4 open chains with a double bond and with triple bond. Clear? Now cyclic compounds also possible now. With the cyclic compounds I am drawing now. With cyclic compounds. Go for here 4 carbon chain. 4 carbon chain with unsaturation. See, this is now cyclobutane. And here I given 1 double bond, 1 ring. This is double bond and ring. So this is now one compound we got, one isomer. And one more I am drawing here with 4. See, this is cyclobutane. And I shown here 2 rings. See, this is bicyclic compound. Bicyclic. 2 rings are there now. 1 double bond, 1 ring. 1 double bond, 1 ring. And 2 rings are, means 2 rings included. This is bicyclic compound. Bicyclic compound. So with 4 carbons, I got 4 carbon ring I got means 3 carbon ring also possible. In last video I told. 3 carbon ring also. Here I am taking 3 carbon ring like this. And another carbon, this is substitution. And here I am taking unsaturation. You count carbon atoms, it will be satisfied. This double bond I am shifting to another position. So this is cyclopropene and this is single one substitution, 4th carbon. this double bond shifting to here. This is one more you got. So 4 I got. And we have the chance double bond to shift out of the ring. Inside the ring we have here 2 double bonds. Now this time I am changing outside the ring. This is cyclic ring. And here I got one substitution. Here I am taking double bond with the C. So 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons I got. 4 carbons I got. So total how many cyclic compounds I got? Total 5 I got. So that implies 5 cyclic compounds. Means 5 cyclic compounds I got. Together total number isomers. Total number isomers. 4 open chain, 5 cyclic, together 9. So with C4H6, how many isomers are possible total? 9. How many you got? 9. So here I given already without proof. Here I shown C4H6 by using this formula 2 power n minus 2n minus 1. I got 9. Now with proof also I shown. So when I draw the structures, what I got? 9 I got. 4 open chains I got. 5 cyclic chains. And by using DU I got 2. 1 double bond, 1 ring. Chance is there. 1 triple bond. So triple bond, double bond. 2 double bonds possible. 2 double bonds I shown. And 2 rings. 2 rings nothing but bicyclic. Remember, whenever you got 2 rings means bicyclic compounds. Bicyclic compounds. 2 rings nothing but in a compound 2 rings are possible. So this is bicyclic compound. Like this, without any deviation, you can get the formula, trick formula. This you remember enough. So even number carbon atoms are there, 2 power n minus 2n minus 1. Odd number of carbon atoms are there, 2n minus 2 into n. Means 2 power n minus 2 into n. So no need any cross checking. Simply you remember this and you will get any number of carbon. For cross checking I shown with propane and with butane. And alkynes, cycloalkenes are isomers with same general molecular formula. That's why we draw cycloalkenes and alkynes as isomeric compounds. Still, if you have any difficulty, and go for in comment box, I will clarify your doubts. Thank you.